Hello and welcome to the Writing Nook here at Fruitiful Soul. Today we write an ode. One subject, full attention, all heart. So grab your journal and a pencil or pen and let's begin. Open your journal to a blank double-page spread. Use the left page for your organizer and the right page for your poem. On the left page, draw a large circle. Inside that, draw a smaller circle right in the center. From the edges of that center circle, draw lines that radiate outward to make 8 sections, like slices of a pie, and number those slices 1 to 8. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Keep in mind, an ode is simply a poem of praise, speaking to one subject with attention and care. It can be long or short, it can rhyme or not. There's no single right way to write one. What I'm showing you here is just one simple method to help you get started. In the small center circle, write the name of something or someone you admire, love, or care about. This is the subject of your poem. It can be about anything. One of my favorite writers wrote an ode to his socks. But you could write to your dog, the stars, your grandma. As you write your poem today, imagine you're speaking directly to this subject. Now that we have our organizer ready, we can move into 8 prompts that will help you shape your poem. Let's work through them together. As I read each prompt, write your response in the matching slice. Pause the video anytime you need to. 1. Name your subject and give an elevated description. 2. Using 3 words, give a physical description. 3. List positive words connected to your subject. 4. Compare your subject to something nice. 5. Describe sounds and/or smells you associate with your subject. 6. Recall a memory, a moment about your subject or with your subject that makes you smile. 7. Repeat your subject's name. 8. Exaggerate a little or simply give your thanks. Turn to the right-hand page. At the top, write the title, Ode to, and then add your subject's name. Then number down the page from 1 to 8 and copy what you wrote in each pie slice by the corresponding number. Later, when you type this, remove the numbers. They were only there to help you build the first draft. Take a moment now to read your poem through. Notice if you're speaking directly to your subject. Make small edits for spelling or clarify if you want. Ask yourself, does this poem address the subject directly? Does it carry admiration or care? Does it sound like praise? If yes, you did it! You wrote your ode. Good work. Hey, just to let you know, I've linked a writing guide and an example poem in the description if you'd like more. And there's a book too if you want to go deeper. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad you dropped by. Tune in again. Make sure you hit like and subscribe for more. And until then, stay charmed.